Hello guys, I'm going to be showing you how to repost a TikTok video. So here I am on a random TikTok video, and if you want to repost this, we want to go to the bottom right and hit the little share icon, and then we're looking for this yellow button that says repost. You can see it there. If we can select that, we can then write a message on it, and we might just add some emojis, for example, or we might just say test, and we can hit add. Now, what's interesting about the TikTok repost is it won't appear on your feed over here, but it will be shown to your followers. We can always remove this repost by going back, hitting the share icon and removing repost if we want to. And there we go. Now, if you actually want to repost one of your own videos, the only way you can do this is by going to your profile, finding a video you want to repost. We can't actually repost it, so we've got to save the video. That means it's going to actually download. So if we now head into our photos, we should be able to see, nope, it's not there yet. We should be able to download this video, and you can see it's saving now on the bottom. And there you go, it's saved. Now if we go out into our photos, we can see the video here. So we can now go back into TikTok and upload this video in order for us to repost it. And you can see we can then go upload, select this, hit next, and you can see we're back on the TikTok screen where we can start to repost it. So go in and write your message like that, and we are good to go. So that's how easy it is to repost on TikTok, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great day, guys. Ciao, ciao.